Orleans. Rye whiskey that dates back to the 1800s.
Hey guys, I'm your host Gaurav, and today I am going to talk about this beautiful rye whiskey. Sazerac Rye symbolizes the history and tradition of New Orleans. Rye whiskey that dates back to the 1800s, to the time where saloons veiled as coffee shops began lining the streets of New Orleans. It was the Sazerac Coffee House on the Royal Street where local patrons were served toddies made with rye whiskey and Peychaud bitters. The libation was then known as Sazerac, and America's first branded cocktail was born. This is the whiskey that started it all. Now let me show you how to make a Sazerac cocktail.